Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Lyft, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by determining your monthly income. List all your sources of income, including your job, side gigs, and any passive income. Next, estimate your monthly expenses. Include fixed expenses, like rent and utilities, and variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment. Now, analyze how much you typically spend on transportation. Review your past rides with Lyft to get an accurate picture of your spending. Next, set a budget specifically for transportation. Decide how much of your income you are comfortable spending on rideshare services. Consider ways to reduce your Lyft expenses. This could include using promo codes, taking advantage of discounts, or opting for shared rides. Once you have your transportation budget, integrate it into your overall budget. Track all your spending regularly to see if you are staying within your limits. Make adjustments if you find you are overspending on rides. Use the Lyft app to monitor your ride costs in real time. Think about alternative transportation options if you're consistently over budget. Evaluate the benefits of investing in a bike or using public transport for shorter trips. At the end of the month, review your overall budget performance. Identify any patterns or areas where you can improve. Adjust your next month's budget accordingly to better meet your financial goals. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to effectively budgeting with Lyft. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.